Hello everyone, welcome back to our ServiceNow HRSD series. In today's video, we will be exploring the HR Service Catalog, crucial features that allow employees to request HR services easily while enabling HR teams to manage requests efficiently. We will cover everything from designing catalog items to optimizing user experience. Let's get started. Introduction to HR Service Catalog. Purpose and importance. The HR Service Catalog is a structured collection of HR related services, allowing employees to find and request HR assistance in the organized way. It streamlines HR processes by providing standardized service options, reducing manual interventions. Difference between catalogs and services. An HR service refers to an individual offering, such as requesting a leave or updating personal details. The HR service catalog is a collection of these services grouped for easy access. Catalog user experience overview. Employee access the catalog via the Employee Center or service portal. The catalog provides a search function, categorize and guide forms for a smooth request experience. Linking services to catalogs. HR services must be properly mapped to catalog so that employees can find them based on categories or keywords. Designing catalog items. Adding variables and fields. Variables define what information employees need to provide when submitting requests. Example include drop-down from selecting leave types, text fields for additional notes, and attachments for documents. Creating form layouts. ServiceNow allows customization of form layouts to ensure a seamless and structured input process. A good form layout reduces confusion and improves request accuracy. Setting up approval flows. Some HR services require approval from managers or HR personnel. ServiceNow provides workflow automation to route requests based on predefined approval rules. Testing catalog items before publishing. HR teams should test catalog items to ensure they work correctly, including field validation and approval routing. So let's explore these HR catalog items on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and under the HR service, this is the manage HR catalogs. So these are the different services, or you can say that catalogs, which contains different catalog items, record producers. Like if we go to the benefits, then benefits, these all catalog items lies under the benefits, and we can edit this catalog item from here. So this is the catalog item. My instance is little bit slow. So this is the record producer form of an HR catalog item. Name is plan enrollment, and the table for this is SNHR core case total rewards, and this is the short description, and its category is benefits, and these are the different settings for these catalog items. Like these are the variable, like select plan, it is a reference field, and is the completed form attached, this is the checkbox, and these are the variables. And we can open this on the self-service portal. If we go to the employees center and search for the name of this item, let me open another item like so these are, you can say that, different types of catalog items which we can request from here. Like this is the catalog item, and in this way we can request different items and different services. So from here we can create a new catalog item for HR. We can create new category and assign or remove a catalog item. So we can manage all the configuration of HR catalog and catalog items from here. Then organizing catalog categories. Grouping services. HR services can be categorized based on functions such as payroll request, benefits, or employee relations. Configuring catalog visibility. ServiceNow allows restricting access to certain catalog items based on user roles or departments. Like, for example, only managers can request employee promotions. Then sorting and filtering. Employee can sort services based on popularity, recent added, or alphabetical order. Filtering option help user find specific services quickly. Then managing featured items, highlighting frequently used or seasonal services like annual benefits, enrollments, improves visibility and accessibility. Then best practices for catalog optimization. Designing user-friendly forms. Keep request forms simple and relevant to reduce confusion and increase completion rates. Then reducing complexity in approvals. Avoid excessive approval layers that slow down HR process. Use auto approval where possible to improve efficiency. Enhance search capabilities. Optimize catalog items with clear titles, descriptions, and keywords so employee can find services easily. Ensuring accessibility for employees. Ensure the HR service catalog is mobile friendly and accessible across services, different devices. Provide multi language support if required. That wraps up our video on the HR service catalog in ServiceNow HRSD. We covered catalog design, organization, and optimization strategies to improve employee experience and streamline HR services. In the next video, we will dive into another key HRSD feature. So stay tuned. See you next time. Thank you.